Hello everyone, welcome back to our day 17 of JavaScript series, and today we are learning the arrow functions. So today we are just going to learn or understand arrow functions by doing a practical or an example that will make us to learn the greeting or the that it will make us to learn the arrow functions. So today we are going to create practical a greeting message with these arrow functions and the template literals. So let's go directly. The first thing we need is the HTML structure. That one. Maybe we delete this. Yes. And then we create a button. A button with an ID of great btn button with a great id. Yes, and then we are going to create a paragraph with an id of message, paragraph with an id of message, and then we begin with the script. So in this example we are going to define a greeting function using an arrow function and template literals, and then whenever the button that is named greet is clicked, a greeting message is displayed on the page. As simple as that. So in our script we write a constant greet with name inside here, name, and then the arrow function hello comma, and then we put the return name. Put here the return name to return the name with an exclamation mark. Welcome to our site or our website. That is it. And then we are going to say document dot get gets elements by id, gets elements by the id great button, and then we add an event listener dot add an event listener such that when the button is clicked on click, we call the arrow function that has the message const message, which equals to greet who? Greet Edison, or maybe whoever. So let's greet Juvenal. Let's greet Juvenal. That is it. And then you terminate that with a semicolon. Document dot gets element by ID, the message, and then we add the text content which equals to the message. After that is the end. And then we terminate this one with it is terminated. That is okay. And then we save. So this is it. Let's refresh this. See, this is the button. When you click this, it should give us a message. That says welcome to our website. So let's see. When you click this, hello Alice, welcome to our website. So that is it. So today it has taught us the use of arrow function and the template literals. So if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated so that you will see our next episodes. Have a good time.